Hello everyone, I hope you all are safe with your family. Today we are going to talk about CA cervix. What is CA cervix? CA cervix is the primary malignant epithelial growth in the cervix. If we see the malignancies of the genital tract, the CA cervix is the most frequent malignancy. And if we see according to the location in the female body, after the breast, cervix is the second most common location for malignancy in the female body. Now we talk to the causes of the CA cervix. The exact etiology is not known, but there are certain probable factors. If these factors are present, that woman is more likely to get CA cervix. Like very first and the important factor is the coitus. The women whose coital activity start earlier, they are more prone to get CA cervix. The important reason for that is the sperms act as carcinogen for cervical epithelium. So it will lead to carcinoma earlier. Right? હવે જેની કોઇટલ એક્ટિવિટી વહેલી શરૂ થાય એવું કહેવાય કે the first coitus before 20 years will lead to CA cervix. Because before 20 years the woman's body is not ready physically to have such kind of relation, because following the coitus many consequences are to occur. Like after the coitus, pregnancy is also common. So first pregnancy before 20 years is harmful. You can say young primigravida. First pregnancy before 20 years, the woman is more likely to get CA cervix. Right? So early marriage, early coitus, early pregnancy, all these are associated and they all will lead to the CA cervix. હવે કોનામાં તમને એવું જોવાનું મળે? If you see the economic status wise, poverty, the poor class women are more likely to get CA cervix because they are mostly uneducated, they are not health conscious, they don't use the contraceptives, so the coitus is unprotected, and so the early pregnancy will result, and this will lead to CA cervix. Unprotected coitus also leads to multiparity. The women who become pregnant of a multipara women, they are also more prone to CA cervix. Then the women who married more than once, જેને 2 કે 3 વખત મેરેજ થયા હોય, such women are sexually exposed to more than one partners, and so they are more prone to get CA cervix. આ રીતે તમે જોવા જાઓ તો CA cervix prostitutesમાં વધારે હોય, because their clients are different people, so the prostitutes are exposed to various partners, and that's why CA cervix is more common among them. It is also common in the women who have developed viral infection with the human papilloma virus. Such women are more prone to get CA cervix. Then STDs, AIDS and syphilis, they also lead to CA cervix. Race wise, it is more common in the Negroes. The women who have a habit of heavy smoking, they are also more prone to get CA cervix. So these are all probable factors of the CA cervix. This may be asked as a 5-mark short note in your exam. We'll talk about something more in the CA cervix next time. Thank you.